There is an invasion happening in Fairfax County and the surrounding region, and we need your help. An invasive plant species has been detected in our county's waterways.
So the invasive plant we're talking about is two-horned trapa. The scientific name is Trapa bispinosa. Sometimes you'll hear it referred to as water chestnut. It goes by a bunch of different names. I use trapa. Two-horned trapa is native to the Far East. We don't know how it got here, but there are records back to 1995 from Virginia. We know it's been in Fairfax County since at least 2000. Where we're standing here today in the Centerville, Fairfax area, this is kind of the center of its abundance. Clifton, Centerville, Manassas, it's where we found it in the most lakes and ponds. So two-horned trapa is an annual aquatic plant. Annual means live fast, die young. They come up in the spring or maybe later, and a cold, like hard frost, kills it. So those seeds that are produced are going to be growing next year. It's also rooted and floating, so think floating like a water lily. It floats on the surface of the water, but it's rooted. It grows in shallow water up to 12 to 15 feet deep, but personally I've never seen it in more than like 4 or 5 feet.
This invasive plant can be detected during the months of April through November or even early December. It has 4 petaled pink flowers with triangular toothed leaves that are often red underneath. The seeds are initially green. Old seed pods are black, and you may find these along pond shores in the winter. The two-horned trapa isn't poisonous, but it does have sharp seeds that are about 2 inches wide. They have 2 barbed horns or spines that can latch onto animals and fabric. This is how this invasive plant spreads in our waterways. It can disrupt boating and fishing activities, harm wildlife, and is potentially harmful to our economy. The important task is to reduce the spread of this invasive plant before it reaches the Potomac River and Chesapeake Bay.
We want people to report it. That's very important. We need to know where this is. One of the things about an invasive species is to effectively take care of it. You need to know where it is and where it isn't. There are many ponds and lakes that just haven't been surveyed or haven't been surveyed recently for trapa. So let us know, and there are a few websites you can go to do that.
It's very important that we work together to help control trapa in Fairfax County, and the most important thing that you can do is be eyes on the ground for us. So when you do find that trapa, report it. When you reach out to us, we can find ways that we can control that trapa and hopefully eradicate it from our ponds in Fairfax County and beyond.
If you see two-horned trapa, report it by using this QR code. This will open a sighting report form. You'll see information on this invasive plant and a list of volunteer organizations involved in trapa removal. Staff from partnering agencies and the Northern Virginia Soil and Water Conservation District will investigate and take appropriate action.
So we're hoping that this plant can be eradicated in the coming years. We have funding to do so. The last few years we have funding from the county and state to treat it with herbicide, and also Fairfax Stormwater as part of their program. They need to keep stormwater facilities open, and so they're treating it as well. We might be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel, but we need lots of effort, lots of funding, lots of people out there looking.
Let's work together to keep Fairfax County's waterways safe from invasive species like the two-horned trapa. This will help us safeguard the safety and health of our ponds and rivers for years to come.